Inside the heart of innovation, Inverex begins the journey of clean and reliable solar power.
Every powerful solar inverter starts with carefully selected, high-quality electronic components. From precision-wound copper coils, robust transformers, and low-loss capacitors, to the smallest surface mount chip, each part is chosen, handled, and
The strong connections are formed through high-temperature soldering for long-lasting performance.
Engineers inspect every detail to guarantee flawless electronic quality.
The durable outer body is assembled to protect the inverter in all working conditions.
This is the heart of the inverter. Every circuit, every wire, every fan is installed with purpose, balancing raw power, intelligent protection, and long-term efficiency. Here, technology becomes reliable energy.
The control panel brings smart monitoring and user-friendly operation to life.
685% precision test. Each inverter is rigorously tested to ensure stable output and reliable performance.
Amenities, Extreme November, Metropax and Community. Only units that meet Inverex's strict quality standards move forward.
From factory floor to your home, Inverex delivers trusted solar power for the future.